In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the wiper blades on this Lexus IS. The driver's side will be a 22-inch blade and the passenger side a 20-inch blade. Let's get started. Lift up on the wiper arm. To remove the wiper blade, there are a few different ways of removing it. This particular one has a cap right on the end of it, which you should be able to pry up with your nail, but sometimes they get stuck. So I'm using a small pocket screwdriver, pop that up. Sometimes there are little tabs that you have to squeeze, and other times there's actually a tab underneath. So this whole assembly will flip open like that, and you'll have to pry down. Once again, it depends on the style wiper blade you already have. Regardless, at this point, this should slide down and off of the arm. Do not let go of this. If this hits the windshield, it will crack it. So have your new wiper blade ready. And with the correct one lined up, you want to press it until it clicks and locks in. Just like that. At this point, remove the plastic that is protecting the blade itself. Lay the wiper arm back down and do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.